Hey book friends! Today I'll be reading a book about trucks. Yes, I love trucks. Do you like trucks? Do you see them going around on the road? Do you play with toy trucks? Yeah? Okay, well let's learn a little more about them. Are you ready? Here we go. Trucks go everywhere. Oh yes, you see this big truck and it's on the road, and there's a smaller truck, and there's a truck going down this road, and there's another truck here going up that road. There's even a truck that's already passed by. It's red. And trucks go everywhere. Trucks deliver things. So they go everywhere to deliver things. Look how many trucks there are here. That looks like it's a food truck. And that's a truck that carries concrete. What else do we see? We see a truck that delivers furniture. And a truck that has food in it that's frozen. There's corn and peas and fish. Yeah, that's how our food gets to the market. This looks like it's delivering gasoline at the gas station. Very important. That's how our cars run, on gasoline. And this truck is delivering cement. Yes, for a construction site. Trucks deliver things. They're very useful. They move heavy loads. They sure do. What is this truck moving? It looks like it's moving cars. There's a truck on top of a truck, but this is a bigger truck. Yes. And this one is moving, maybe it's dirt. Yeah. They move heavy loads. That's why we need them. Look at the heavy loads that the trucks are moving. The cars. Have you ever seen this type of truck that moves cars around? They're very, very big. And this truck here is moving cows. Yeah, they're taking them to the farm. And this truck here is moving maybe it's soil, dirt. And look, it's loading it off. Yes. Trucks push things. They push things. This one looks like it's pushing dirt. This one is pushing, what does that look like? Snow. Yes. When it snows and everything's just full of snow everywhere and the cars can't get through on the street, they use a special truck that moves it with this plow right here, and it slides the snow out of the way from the street so the cars can drive on it. It's very, very useful. Trucks pull things. So they push things and they pull things too behind them. Like this tow truck right here. It's pulling this truck that's maybe broken down. This truck here is pulling these metal rings, maybe to a construction site. Trucks lift things too. Wow. Do you see this truck? It's lifting wood. Yes. lumber. And this truck is lifting maybe some trees or bushes. It's lifting it. Up they go. Up they go. And look up and into another truck. So this truck is loading another truck. Wow. And this truck is loading logs, tree trunks onto another truck. And this one is lifting, wow, it looks like bricks. Very heavy. So the truck can do it very easily. They're very strong. Oh, and check this truck out. It's lifting the person up into the tree so they can cut it and trim it so it can look nice. Trucks are useful in so many ways, aren't they? Trucks dig. Yes, they dig. They dig very deep. You see this crane that goes up? And it's holding this big scooper. And it's scooping. It's digging down under where they need a big hole. Yes. And they move things too. So they grab the dirt and they move it to another place where they want it to go. Yes, trucks dig and move things. Look at that. That looks like it's a construction site. You see a lot of different trucks at construction sites. Have you ever seen one? There's so many types. Like this one right here. It's like a roller where it makes the ground flat. And then there's trucks like these that load off things. And then trucks like this one where it scoops things. Yes. So many types of trucks. Look at this truck. It has big old metal on it that's very heavy. And this one, it's lifting the metal up. I wonder what they're building. They help in emergencies. What kind of truck is this? Yes, it's a fire truck. And there might be a fire. And look, the fire truck has a hose. And it's squirting out the water so it can put out the fire. And what kind of truck is this? Yes, a tow truck. When cars break down, they pull the car that's broken down to wherever it needs to go. And what is this truck right here? An ambulance. Yes, maybe someone got hurt and they need to go to the hospital. So they put you in an ambulance truck and take you there. And this truck here, it lifts people up to fix the electricity. Because that's very important. We need electricity. That's right. And this truck here helps you get an X-ray if you need one. Yes, that's very neat. And of course, this truck here is for the animal squad. Yes, for animal rescue. You see that person going up the tree and rescuing the cat. Uh-oh, the cat likes to climb things, but they don't necessarily know how to get down. So you call the animal center and they do it for you. And they use a truck. And this truck here is a blood truck where you can walk in and you can give blood to the people that need it. Yes, people need blood. Yes, have you ever done that? I have. Yes. And yes, I went into a truck. And that's where they did it. Trucks do a lot of work. Oh, yes, they do. Trucks do so much for us. There's a truck here. It's like a little painter's truck. There's the mailman. And the fire truck. What's your favorite truck? Do you have one? I love all the trucks, but I especially like the trucks that help people, like the fire truck. Yes. Oh, wow. So many trucks. And trucks do a lot of work. Did you learn something new about trucks today? Yeah? Yay! Let's clap. Let's clap for that. Learning something new about trucks. So next time you see a truck, maybe you'll know what kind of truck it is. Yeah. Well, until next time. Bye, book friends.